Move over, Google Chrome. There's a new browser in town. Arc browser is challenging the status quo of internet surfing with its unique approach. But is it just a fad or a true game changer? Arc redefines browsing with a sleek design and clever features. Its standout? Spaces. Organize your digital life into work, personal, or even shared spaces, each with its own tabs and notes. It's like having multiple desks in one office. Arc's UI is so clean you could eat off of it. Every bit of screen space is yours to explore, with shortcuts and commands a tap away. And updates, they're just as regular as your morning coffee, adding fresh features frequently. But no roses without thorns, right? Transitioning to Arc can be like learning a new dance. Plus, it's free for now, but its future monetization is as mysterious as a spy novel. Give Arc browser a whirl, and who knows, you might find yourself surfing the web on a wave of innovation. It's not just a browser, it's a revolution in how we interact with the web.